पाक स्टडीज पार्ट 1 का लेक्चर्स आपको नीचे हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। क्वेश्चन 1, हु वॉन बिंट ए हवा अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2024? ऑप्शंस ए नीला कानी, बी निगर जौहर, सी शाहीन ओबेद चिनोय, डी नीला कबीर। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी निगर जौहर। Question 2, South Asian Games 2024 will be hosted in which country? Options A Iran, B China, C Pakistan, D Afghanistan. Correct option C Pakistan. Question 3, Asian Games 2024 will be held in host city of Pakistan. Options A Lahore, B Faisalabad, C Gujranwala, D all of these. Correct option D all of these. Question 4, how many times Pakistan won Aslan Shah hockey tournament? Options A once, B 2 times, C 3 times, D never won. Correct option C 3 times. Question 5, who is the runner-up of Aslan Shah Cup 2024? Options A Malaysia, B India, C Japan, D Pakistan. Correct option D Pakistan. Question 6, current National Assembly of Pakistan is underscore. Options A 14वां National Assembly, B 15वां National Assembly, C 16वां National Assembly, D none of these. Correct option C 16वां National Assembly. Question 7, who is the current Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan? Options A Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, B Ishaq Dar, C Shah Mahmood Qureshi, D none of these. Correct option B Ishaq Dar. Question 8, who was first Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan? Options A Ishaq Dar, B Begum Nasrat Bhutto, C Chaudhry Parvez Alai, D Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Correct option D Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Question 9, which country won DEF T20 Cricket World Cup 2024? Options A Australia, B India, C Pakistan, D England. Correct option C Pakistan. Question 10, the first polio case in 2024 has been reported from which province of Pakistan? Options A Punjab, B Sindh, C Baluchistan, D KPK. Correct option C Baluchistan. Question 11, who is current test captain of Pakistan cricket team? Options A Misbahul Haq, B Shan Masood, C Sarfaraz Ahmad, D Azhar Ali. Correct option B Shan Masood. Question 12, who is current T20 captain of Pakistan cricket team? Options A Shaheen Shah Afridi, B Shan Masood, C Sarfaraz Ahmad, D Babar Azam. Correct option D Babar Azam. Question 13, which country has been awarded the honor of hosting the West Asia Baseball Cup 2024? Options A China, B Pakistan, C New Zealand, D South Korea. Correct option B Pakistan. Question 14, Pakistan tested its nuclear device on underscore. Options A 28 मई 1998, B 28 मई 1999, C 28 मई 2000, D 28 जुलाई 1998. Correct option A 28 मई 1998. Question 15, Bakta Chicken missile system is A air to surface, B anti-aircraft, C anti-tank guided, D anti-tank. Correct option D anti-tank. Question 16, where is Varsak Dam located in? Options A KPK, B Punjab, C Balochistan, D Gilgit. Correct option A KPK. Question 17. Quetta was devastated by severe earthquake. Options: A. 31 मई 1935, B. 31 मई 1937, C. 31 मई 1939, D. 31 मई 1942. Correct option: A. 31 मई 1935. Question 18. Current Foreign Minister of Pakistan. Options: A. Bilawal Bhutto, B. Sadak Sajrani, C. Ishaq Dar, D. Jameel Ahmad. Correct option: C. Ishaq Dar. Question 19. Benazir International Airport located in. Options: A. Karachi, B. Lahore, C. Rawalpindi, D. Islamabad. Correct option: D. Islamabad. Question B's. The largest airport of Pakistan. Options: A. Benazir International Airport, Islamabad, B. Karachi Airport, C. Lahore, Allama Iqbal International Airport, D. Skadoo Airport. Correct option: B. Karachi Airport.